Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Coloring Party with Friends, and this is hosted by Jamie along with his co-host who is Pat, and I'll put her channel down below also. So for this week we had an ornament to color, and I'm kind of over Christmas, except I still have Christmas decorations up because I keep them up till mid-January since my birthday's in January too, which is done now, so yay. So I went with blue and silver because A, it's very cold here today, and it's also snowing here today, and many other places I hear in the United States. So here's what I did. It's a little crinkly, and I'll take this off. I started off using metallic pen, which is from the Paper Studio Hobby Lobby, metallic gel pens. They're in a set of 4 different styles of pens. But then I thought I didn't get good coverage. It's okay for this thing, right? But then I used Artix, ARRTX acrylic markers in like a green blue on this, which you can't tell now, a gray here and here, and a sort of a bright blue here. I wasn't loving that because they kind of looked dull and I wanted it to be more festive. So then I got out my Ohuhu glitter markers my granddaughter gave me for Christmas, and I am loving these. I might have to get a spare just to have an extra silver one though, because I've been using a lot of silver. And I went over the gray with the silver here and here. Oh, I also used Ohuhu alcohol markers in robin's egg blue in these parts here and pale gray blue in the center part, this part, and this part. Um, then I went over the acrylic marker with the Ohuhu glitter markers in silver here and here and here. I went over alcohol marker there and here as well. And then here I went over acrylic marker and here I did. And then for the other blue parts that I had done in acrylic marker, I went over them with glossy accents to make them pop and shine a little more. And you can see all the glitter and shine, but the whole thing's not shiny, just where I had done the alcohol marker or where I felt I needed more silver. So I like how it turned out now, although the page got a little crinkly from adding the glitter markers and the mostly the glossy accents. I got a little spot there of something. I think it's from an alcohol marker. I'm not sure. But that is my page for today. And then next week we are doing this one. And I'm going to enjoy that. I'm going to actually probably work on that today while it's snowing. I'm not sure yet, but I have ideas for what I want to do. And I am not going to do the backgrounds on many of the pages. I'll do some, but I just didn't feel like I needed to here. Maybe I'll put a few dots of bling around on here somewhere, or just dot some glitter marker here and there to cover that up and make it look like it was intentional. Should have done that before I showed you, right? Anyway, that's it for this week. Thank you, Jamie and Pat, for hosting this fun collab. And I'll see you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.